much a small community club here. Our membership's very much in this local area.
It's really great that you Pilchers have actually supported both the ladies and men, and to have this tournament today and last year, you know, great for our community. Not only that, for our bowling club as well.
Just like to thank all the bowlers today that have come for our second annual Pilcher Residential Triples tournament. Just want to say how excited and proud we are to be watching the action. It looks far more difficult and stressful than I thought it might be at first glance.
Everyone enjoyed themselves today, which was really good. Everyone has fun. That's what it's all about, basically, for us to get out there, meet people and enjoy themselves and have fun. So it was great. It was a really good day today, yeah.